Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports that he said, Thursday, and what is it a day of Thursday? Then he wept so bitterly that his tears even soaked the gravels. Then he said, it was the Thursday when the Prophet's ailment got exacerbated, and so he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, fetch me some writing material so that I may write for you such instructions due to as you will never go astray. There occurred a conflict among the people on this point, though there should not have been such a clash before the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So the people said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has abandoned this intention. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, leave me alone, as the state in which I am now is better than what you are calling me for. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam willed for three things. You must expel the polytheists from the Arabian Peninsula and award gifts to the delegates as I used to give them. And I forgot the third instruction. And Yaqub bin Muhammad says that he asked Hazrat Mughira bin Abdul Rahman about the Arabian Peninsula, and he said, Makkah Mukarrama, Medina Munawwara, Yamama and Yemen. And Yaqub says the place Araj starts from Tehama. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3053.